Wow, lovely period piece of Paragon in a corset shaped teacup. That very stylized design, as you can see. 1950s this. Mint green really, isn't it? With gilt decoration, indent scallop rim, beautifully axle made, and inner wall decoration. Just look at that beautiful blossom design on the inner wall of the teacup. Nice large loop handle, double by appointment Paragon English bone china marks there, and the saucer is equally as gorgeous. Just look at that again, the beautiful blockwork in the centre and the circumferential gilt decoration transferred on with that mint green ground background in the sort of central rim portion. Again, matching double Paragon by appointment marks, and this is where we get the pattern reference from. There we go, and scribed by the decorators there, 1360. A nice piece of vintage Paragon in absolute fine mint cabinet or collector's condition, which is what makes it stand out and be so special, because this is dating from 1940s, 1950s, at the very latest 1960s, so it's coming up for 80 to 90 years old. A very good investment. It's not an awful lot of money and should be a very collectible antique in the future. So there's my top tip for today's listings, this beautiful mint green and floral Paragon corset shaped teacup. Thanks for watching.